Remember that to make a noun plural in German, the bottom line is you have to memorize it. There are, however, patterns that are helpful to be aware of. So we've already learned the first two patterns. The first one was just change the article to die. So das Fenster, the window, becomes die Fenster, the windows. And we learned how to add an E. So der Freund, the friend, becomes die Freunde, the friends. In this lesson, we're going to look at adding an umlaut and an E, which is part of the second pattern still. Okay, so the chair, der Stuhl, der Stuhl. How do you say the chairs? Die Stühle, die Stühle. Notice that there's an umlaut there, so that changes your pronunciation. Stuhl, Stühle, Stuhl, Stühle. So the chair, der Stuhl, the chairs, die Stühle. Let's look at an example. The chair is there, der Stuhl ist da. Der Stuhl ist da. The chair is there. Der Stuhl ist da. Let's make it plural. The chairs are there. Die Stühle, the chairs are. Die Stühle sind, and the chairs are there. Die Stühle sind da. So remember, der Stuhl, you add an umlaut, and then add an E. Die Stühle. Der Stuhl, die Stühle. Der Stuhl, die Stühle. And that's it for this lesson. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. Bis bald.